Hello there, future data enthusiasts. Welcome back to AdviceBridge's channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all the rage in the tech world: why study data science in the USA. You may already hearing about it everywhere these days. But if you're curious about how data shapes our world and want to explore incredible opportunities, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Part 1: The Power of Data Science. Picture this. Every time you use your smartphone, shop online, or even binge watch your favorite shows, you're generating data. But what's even more exciting? The art of unlocking insights from this data to make impactful decisions. That's data science. However, the simpler it sounds, the more complex it is when you actually start exploring data science as your field of study. Part 2: Why choose the USA to study data science? Now, you might be wondering, why choose the USA for your data science journey? Well, it's simple. The USA is at the forefront of technology and innovation. Heard about the world's top tech hub, Silicon Valley? Top companies like Apple, Google, Facebook, Tesla, you name it. Every tech giant ruling the globe is available in the USA. Part 3: World-class education. When it comes to education, the USA offers world-class programs in data science. From prestigious universities like Massachusetts Institute of Technology to cutting-edge research facilities provided by the government, you'll have access to the best in the world. Part 4: Diversity and collaboration. Data science thrives on diverse perspectives. Studying in the USA means collaborating with people from around the globe, sharing insights, and working on projects that make a difference. Part 5: Industry opportunities. Here's the cherry on top: career opportunities. The USA boasts a booming tech job market with positions in data science popping up left and right. Your dream job? It's just around the corner. Part 6: Immersive learning experience. Learning isn't limited to classrooms. The USA offers workshops, conferences, and hackathons that immerse you in the world of data science. Get ready to learn, network, and level up. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The USA is a hotspot for data science enthusiasts who want to shape the future. From groundbreaking research to exciting job opportunities, studying data science in the USA opens doors you never thought possible. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep rocking the data world. See you soon.